enjoy the moment and have a look at this beauty of Mother Nature. Have a visit to this place yourself, and please do bring your loved ones. This will be your trip of a lifetime. We guarantee you your safety, security, and according to your budget and planned dates. This memorable visit will be something you will always cherish. We recommend you to just contact our team, and our team will make sure that everything is done in the best possible way, suiting your needs, plans and wishes. Do visit our website www.gibrantravels.com and blogs.gibrantravels.com and our Facebook, Twitter account and Pinterest, LinkedIn. And if you are eager and want to join our WhatsApp group, do contact us through our dedicated number 0301 5011 633, and we will add you to the WhatsApp group and you will have all the updates always. यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं ये जो बर्फ़ है ये जमी हुई है अभी तक पहाड़ों के ऊपर, हालांकि ये मई है। और ये आप दरख्त भी देखिए और पहाड़ों पे खूबसूरती देखिए। ये लैंडस्लाइड एरिया है और अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए। सी यू सून।